Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Google Pixel 10 and the Google Pixel 10 Pro. And I think you have realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Gemini with, so the Google Assistant. But how to power off the phone? For that you need to press next to the power button as well the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you are directly here at the power menu. Just confirm and power off and the phone will turn off. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol, scroll down again, and then you will have here the power off symbol. Just tap here, then you are here as well at the power off menu, just confirm on power off and the phone will shut down. But there's a way to set up the power button here as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point System, and you will find this point here, Gestures. And here we will need the last point, Press and Hold Power Button. So actually we are waking up the digital assistant, but in the future we want to have the power menu. And that means whenever we long press now the power button, we are immediately at the power off menu and just confirm power off and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.